I recently got a new knife from 704 Gear, and it's so durable and reliable that it ended up becoming my favorite EDC knife. So today, I decided to update my collection with some more knives from 704 Gear. Now I have the Midnight Scout, the Strider, the Bandit, the Swarm, and the Hornet, so I can have a knife for any occasion. And these knives come shipped to your door, ready for you to cut through your problems as well. Inside each box, you have a case with a fuzzy inner liner, a microfiber cleaning cloth, some stickers, and then your knives. All the knives have pocket clips, so you can keep it on your person. The Midnight Scout, Strider, and the Hornet all have holes for paracord, and the other two don't, but all of the knives are sharp and cut through everything like butter. I've been using these for my unboxings and for work around the farm, and they've been so helpful. The Midnight Scout with the Damascus steel blade is still my favorite, but my next favorite is now the Strider. It has a 3-inch reverse Tonto blade and opens smoothly. All of them except for the Hornet have a flipper tab, but the Midnight Scout and Strider open the easiest. The weight of the blade is perfectly distributed and snaps open every time. They feel solid and seem like they'd last a long time. Then when you want to close them, they have a locking clasp that you can push to the side, and then you can shut your knife. The only one that has a unique opening and closing system is the Hornet, but you are able to hold down the button and flip it open with some wrist movement. I gave this one to my girlfriend because she only had a box cutter designed for children. It could barely cut, but now she can cut through cardboard with minimal effort. She was also having trouble cutting through box straps, but now she can pop them open, no problem. Overall, I'm really impressed with these knives. I've tested a lot of different brands over the years, and so far, these are the most sturdy and rugged. They're sharp, and they get the job done. So if you're looking for some nice knives to get the job done for you as well, these knives from 704 Gear might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more target practice. See ya.